Hello, students. Am I audible now? Okay. Okay. Yes. So there is a technical issue. Okay. So let us continue with the types of accounts. That is personal account, real account, and the nominal account. So what is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. What is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And the third one is a nominal accounts. So debit all expenses and losses. On the left side, you can see the on the debit side of nominal accounts, the payment of salary is given, rent, loss on sale of asset, depreciation, bad debts, debit losses and expenses. So all the expenses and losses which is incurred during the accounting procedure under the nominal accounts are considered as the expenses and losses which we can debited while journalize the business transaction in the books of accounts. And whatever the credit balances, so received commissions, interest, discounts, credit income, profits, gains, so all the credit incomes and gains should be credited in under the nominal accounts. So now students, we are going to see the problems. Problem number 1. Okay, students, now you can see here the problem number 1 is given. Entries for the following transactions. Pass the journal entries for the following transactions. So here the two columns are given: date July 2021, particulars. So the business transaction on on dated 1st July 2021 written as the Raghavendra started business by rupees 50,000. It means Raghavendra is the owner of the business. So here you can consider that you are a businessman, you are a Raghavendra, and through which you can easily understand that how to pass the journal entries with the help of these business transactions. So the transactions on 8th of July 2021 was bought goods of rupees 21,000 from Amol on credit. So now students, we can apply the golden rules of accountancy while passing the journal entries in the books of account. Now you can see here. See, this is the format. सगळ्यांना दिसतोय बरोबर? This is the format of journal entry. First column is date, second is given particulars, third column is ledger folio. हा एक नंबर असतो लेजर फोलिओचा. डेबिट अमाउंट रुपीज आणि क्रेडिट अमाउंट रुपीज. नाउ सी फर्स्ट ट्रान्झॅक्शन ची डेट काय आहे बघा. बिझनेस ट्रान्झॅक्शनची फर्स्ट डेट काय आहे? 1 जुलै 2021. तुम्ही तुमचा माईक ऑन करू शकता. आपण डिस्कस करून हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करू. सो डेट इज व्हॉट? 1 जुलै 2021. ठीक आहे. आता बघा ट्रान्झॅक्शन काय दिली होती? राघवेंद्र स्टार्टेड बिझनेस बाय रुपीज 50,000. So here Raghavendra started business. So we know for the purpose of starting the business what you required. What you required for starting the business? Capital. So we can say that 50,000 is capital. Okay, 50,000 is capital. And now think through the golden rules of accountancy. Here you can apply the golden rules of accountancy. Now how? See, Raghavendra started business. It means you all, we all are Raghavendra. म्हणजे आपला स्वतःचा बिझनेस आहे. असं तुम्ही कन्सिडर करा. वी आर ओके, वी हॅव अवर ओन बिझनेस. Raghavendra started business by rupees 50,000. It means Raghavendra invested 50,000 in his business. म्हणजे now you can see Raghavendra, which indicates the personal account. Raghavendra, it is the name of a person. So that's why Raghavendra, we can consider it as a personal account. And what is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. But there is a one rule of accountancy, that you cannot write your name. You cannot write your name, it means the owner name, in his books of accounts. यू गॉट इट. अकाउंटचा एक असा रूल आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये समजा राघवेंद्र हा बिझनेसमॅन आहे, तुम्ही स्वतः, आणि तुम्ही स्वतः बुक मेंटेन करताय, जर्नल मेंटेन करताय, तर त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही स्वतःचं नाव लिहि नाही. हा अकाउंटन्सीचा रूल आहे. तुम्ही तुमचा स्वतःचा बिझनेस आहे आणि तुम्ही स्वतःचं नाव कसं लिहिणार? बरोबर आहे. त्यामुळे राघवेंद्रनी पैसे आणले. Raghavendra started business by rupees 50,000. So 50,000 here capital, and 50,000 indicates the cash also. So cash is what? Cash is a real account. And what is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Hello, students. What is the rule? Yes, what is the rule of? No, no, what? No, no. Here we indicate that 50,000 is cash. Okay, so cash is a real account. And what is the rule of real account? Goes out. मग आता ही कॅश बिझनेस मध्ये आली आहे का गेली आहे? आली आहे. So debit what comes in. So that's why on dated 1st July 2021 we can write this cash. Yes, cash account. See, cash account ही अशी एक लिहिण्याची पद्धत असते बघा. अकाउंट, कॅश अकाउंट, डेबिट. एक मिनिट. कॅश अकाउंट डेबिट होईल. आणि काय? येस, व्हेरी गुड. बिझनेस मध्ये काय आलंय? कॅश तर आली आहे, बट इन विच फॉर्म? कॅपिटल. सो दॅट्स वाय टू कॅपिटल. आणि इथे क्रेडिट लिहायची गरज नाही. सो नाउ दिस इज 50,000 and here you can write 50,000. अंडरस्टूड? बरं, एवढ्यावरच नाही. हिअर यू रिक्वायर्ड टू राईट द नॅरेशन. सो नॅरेशन इज, how you can write the narration? See, being business started with cash by Raghavendra. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? सगळ्यांना लक्षात आलंय? येस. नाऊ सी, पहिली ट्रान्झॅक्शन सगळ्यांना लक्षात आली आहे? चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये लिहा. स्टुडंट्स, येस.